Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Luxury Scent by Mark for sending us their products. If you know this, guys, napaka-luxury nga ng mga packaging nila. And at the same time, if you're just with me, talaga namang napaka-luxury ng amoy ng mga pabango nila dito. Anyway, so they sent us some of their products. Yan. Mga main products nila are these hanging diffusers. So you can actually use this mostly sa mga sasakyan. And then actually, a lot of the houses that I visit, no, nakahang na rin ito sa mga rooms nila. Say for example, sa mga living rooms. Also, sa mga bathrooms and kitchens as well, no? Para they give the room or the place a very luxury ambience. So talagang suitable po yung mga yan. And then, this one is called their limited edition luxury scent box. In it, ayan, napaka-luxurious nga talaga ng packaging nila. So let me just read this one. Sabi niya, to make your life fragrantly beautiful, we are happy to share with you our beautiful handcraft scents. Wow! That you can use anywhere, offering you a very relaxing and calming ambience in your room and in your car. So we have some room and linen spray. This one is a lavender scents. Yung pinadala nila sa atin are lavender scents. Now let's talk about the available scents that they have for the hanging diffuser. So first one is the fresh bamboo. Very earth, very nature, very earthy and very nature yung amoy niya. And then this one is a cucumber melon. From the name itself, it's so fruity, very fruity. This one is gonna give you like a very, para sa akin, an energetic vibe kung saan mo lalagay yung cucumber melon. And then this one is a skyfall. I wonder, anong amoy ng skyfall? Okay, for me, it's a little bit parang perfume and alcohol. Alcohol-based perfume, ganun ang pagkakaamoy ko sa kanya. Alright. Okay, this one is the marine. True to its name, marine. So para sa akin medyo I can smell the sea breeze. It's like you're in an ocean, parang ganun. Yeah, marine. And then next is the green tea. Alright, so yeah, from the name itself, green tea, it's like you're in a, parang kang nasa actually cafe. Parang ganun. That's the vibe that I feel kapag inaamoy mo yung green tea. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And yeah, of course, available din yung mga ganitong packaging for every order. You're gonna have these boxes dito sa mga diffusers natin. So, if you're interested to resell, guys, they are actually looking for you. But then again, if you just want to try these products, yeah, make sure to check out their fan page. It's Luxury Scent by Mark. Very affordable. A lot of the people in their fan page giving good commendations. So yeah, why not try their product? So again, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope let's support local, these kinds of businesses. So thanks so much for watching. Until our next video. Peace out, guys. Bye.